Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix we suspended your account on Instagram. First of all, this is an Instagram glitch and it's affecting most people, so you don't have to panic. I also got this same experience, but how I fixed mine is what I'm going to take you through. So in case you don't understand my accent, you can click CC in order to see subtitles. So step number one, what you do, you open your phone settings. And then you select apps and notifications. And then you select Instagram. Then under storage, you clear cache and also storage. So having done that, you go back to the list of apps and still you select Instagram. Then you'll see the option of force stop, so you click force stop. So having done that, the other step that you can do is for you to open Play Store app and then you update your Instagram app if it requires an update. So go to Play Store, search for Instagram, check if it requires an update and then you update it. So after update, you can now go back and then you log into your Instagram account either through Facebook or direct login. So and I hope this will have been fixed, but in case you try this and they don't work for you, you will have to wait for some time for Instagram to fix this because it's an Instagram glitch and most people are experiencing it. Don't forget to subscribe and also check these other videos and drop a comment in the comment section, and see you in the coming videos.